Alright, next question. A block is pulled along a horizontal surface on a negligible friction by a spring scale that exerts a force F on the block. The mass of the block is 12 kilograms, and the spring scale reads 30 kilograms. Which of the following free body diagrams can be used to show the magnitudes and the direction of all forces exerted on the block, and it is pulled along the surface? So first of all, let's see what we can still got from the question. The mass of the block is 12 kilograms, right? M is equal to 12 kilograms, which means we can get the gravitational force of the block. What is the Fg? Fg is equal to mg. The mass of the block is 12 kilograms over here, and g, of course you can use 9.8 here, but right here I would just make it easier. I would just use 10. So it is 12 times 10 is equal to 120 newtons. The spring scale reads 30 newtons, which means Fs is equal to 30. Also, the question told you that the block is pulled along a horizontal surface, which means it is moving horizontally. Which means it is not moving upward or moving downward, which we can get net force vertically on, or the net force of the vertical components of this object is equal to 0, which is equal to Fg minus Fn. So that Fg is actually equal to Fn. So also, we already knew that Fs is 30 newtons and Fg is 120 newtons. From this relationship, we can get Fg is actually equal to 4 times of Fs. So now, from these stuff, let's see which one is the correct answer. First one, Fn equals Fg, that's right, but Fs is actually equal to the Fn and Fg in terms of magnitude, so this one is not correct. For the second one, a spring is so long, look at it, how long it is. It is actually 4 times bigger than the normal force and the gravitational force. However, the gravitational force is 4 times bigger than the Fs. It is completely opposite, so this one is not correct. For the third one, the normal force and the gravitational force are actually 4 times bigger than the Fs, because this one is 4, this one is only 1, so which means this is correct. For the fourth one, Fn is equal to Fg, that's correct. However, Fn is actually equal to Fs in terms of magnitude, because this took like 4, this one is also 4. So this one is not correct, which means C is the correct answer.